consumption on these machines and ref outputs has also been quite impressive. Saved quite a lot of fuel since we've started with using these John Deere excavators, and it's financially also had quite a big impact for us.
What is special about Dozer machine, all of the both machines, what they do, they're saving lots of diesel and they're working very fast, and we have with those machines because they're saving us lots of time, they're saving like lots of hours.
Stands out for me on the machines is the diesel consumption is very efficient. The operators were well trained with the machines. They have worked with the brands, and there was very little that they had to basically change over to get themselves acquainted with these machines.
Ek glo 'n nuwe byvoeging van die GP-modelle in die landboubedryf is definitief iets nuuts in Suid-Afrika. Dit is 'n groot gaping wat gevul gaan word waarvoor ons al lank wag, en dat dit ons boerderypraktyke tot nuwe hoogtes sal kan neem.
The performance of the 318G is outstanding. It has a lot of power for pushing manure and breakout force when loading the manure. It is important, helps with boosting productivity.